current time it's 9:47. No, I'm not up. I've been up since about 8. Doing my sort of work, see, had that thing outside making a crap ton of noise all morning. Oh god, I hope they don't start up on Zoom because Zoom is stressful enough as it is. So I'm not even dressed, popping it to that. See, yesterday I had the teachers who were just like, yeah, you don't need to turn your camera on, I know you're here and stuff, it's fine. No, that's damn decent. That's one person. Like, that's fine, and then it's just like, these ones, it's like, you must be sitting up straight, you must have your camera. I'm like, oh, fuck off. So yesterday's vlog was over 51 minutes long. Yeah, you ain't getting one like that for a while. Watch me say that, then watch how long this one ends up being by accident. Just watch. So let's make the bed. Here we go, that's sorted. Oh, hang on, how's it going? So, yeah, I can't be bothered with this. So I got his big trunk back. Honestly, cannot be bothered right now with any of this. We're just... The place is shut off. Friday is the biggest bullshit class. It really, really is. Also, I'm back in college on Wednesday, like, isn't in the building for this blended learning, like, it's really fucking complicated. You can't just do, not, like, you're in this time, but you're not in this time. It's like, group A, group B, but it's not like group A's in this time, group B's in this time, group A's in this time. It's not in any fucking way, simple. Right. Oh god, I suppose I should get dressed. Let's be dressed. It's currently 52 minutes past. I'll hang out when I get an opportunity. I'll have to clean this up. These are the parts if you watched yesterday's vlog, you'll understand. And that's when I took my tie fitter from last year. I made it this badass looking tie, except which I absolutely love the way this looks up here. Like I said, I'm actually going to buy 1 or 2 more of those sets, just because of the amount of tie variants that can be made into it. People are turning into tie strikers, but I already have the Lego one, so I don't need one. Though I have toyed with buying a second one because for some weird reason the tie striker is quite an inexpensive set. So I have thought about it. One thing I might be doing today, and the keyword I might do it on my lunch break, what's in this tray, is bring back a whole series on my YouTube channel, which I've not done since like June or July of last year. Every Friday we look at a minifigure, 2007, Shadow, no sorry, not Shadow, oh, crap, yeah, Shadow Trooper. These badass Lego figures, but might do that. Again, if I get an opportunity, that is. Thing. Yeah, I'm working tonight, so I'm basically working all weekend. Unfortunately, the first class is dominated. Sorry, the first part already is dominated by 2 classes, whereas the 2 complete bitches that go, no, we have to stay on till 3:30. Although I'm gonna try and use work as an excuse to get out of it, because I know I've done that once or twice. It's like, I'm not sitting with you, like, sometimes you finish your work by 10 to 3. I'm not sitting in your class for an extra 40 minutes when I've got no work left. And it's ridiculous. But yeah, plus it's, they have your camera on at all times. I'll update you guys after the class. I'm gonna go get a cup of tea. Yeah, it's currently 55 minutes past, so I better go be quick. See you guys after the class. Okay, so it's 20 minutes past 12. I finished college call like, what, 10 minutes ago? 10 past 12? Yeah, that makes sense. So, let's see. I'm going back. I'm gonna have to go for a shower, right? But I'm going back and forth. Do I put dry shampoo in my hair and just go like that? Or do I wash it? Again, currently undecided. I mean, my hair's not too bad. I mean, maybe you can't see it. But I put a bit of dry shampoo in it earlier, just for the Zoom call. But again, I'm debating just washing the damn thing. Do you know what? I'll just, it gets tied back at work anyway. I'll just go for like kind of basic shower just now, and then just wash myself. Well, I won't go right now. I need to eat something. I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning up in here. They've not yet sent me the Zoom link for the next class for some reason. Normally gets sent right after, unless the class is meant to be happening at 1:30, which is like well over an hour, well, slightly just over an hour, which is great. I'm honestly not looking forward to this weekend, but at least unlike last time, like, because Wednesday was horrible, right? Wait, was it Wednesday? Was it Tuesday? I can't remember if it was Tuesday or if it was Wednesday this happened. No wait, I'm actually slightly confused now. Regardless, I'd done college the day before and work, and when I tried to get up the next day, it just, maybe it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I just was completely drained to try and wake up, so maybe let's avoid that. yeah, no, it's not too bad a day outside. For an opportunity, I'm going to add the other channel member into the banner today. Again, it's like, try to find a minifigure that represents us best. See, the ones I picked, I think, and I had friends input, and some of them didn't have input. I think Cody was the only person who got any kind of input over his minifigure. Simply because someone like him, it's like trying to find a minifigure with, like, has glasses but also has like a short hairpiece, so I had to go for Harry Potter. I just went for Anakin Skywalker with me, which I actually do own that minifigure. It's in that drawer there somewhere. Got 2 watches, more. I own 3 watches for some weird reason. There he is there. So I'm still debating filming this. It would be nice to try and at least bring the series back, even if it's like, 1 or 2 episodes a month, or like 1 episode a month. I don't want to let that down, because that series only has like 96 episodes, because it had went through multiple, like, I started it in September 2017, so the series is almost 5 years old, and it's been stopped multiple times. Like, I remember I done the first episode, then didn't do one until like January or February of 2018. And then I just kept getting stuck between moving rooms and just periods where my phone or a camera had problems. So yeah, it's probably about time we came back with it, because I've got a lot of minifigures to go to well over 200 episodes. Yes, I have over 330 odd, but keep in mind, there's ones I have a crap ton of doubles of, such as, these and these. So I'm not going to do like multiple episodes on the same minifigure, that's just stupidity. But yeah, so I may or may not do it. I'm debating, it's like time-wise, and because after the next Zoom call ends, I have to just rush. if it starts at 1:30, I'm screwed for time. Though, like I said before, maybe I can get off a bit early. Like, this class ran 10 minutes over what it was meant to run, so I think that shows you how inefficient the damn Zoom classes actually are. I also still need to sort that out. Yeah. I think on Tuesday, 100% I need to do a video on that striker, because that thing's just amazing. Like, I absolutely love that thing, so definitely gonna try and do a video on it. Like, I've never reviewed a custom set. I need to go back online and check who made this, because I know there's plenty of videos on it before by other people, but I don't know. Yeah, I get a take on it. I'll tell you though, I think I picked the right shelf spot as well. See, when I had this organised by movie, it was in the A New Hope section, chasing the X-Wing, which is now down there at the bottom. See, I think now it would be, Interceptors from Return of the Jedi, but I tried to look online to buy more of these TIE Fighters for cheap, right, because there's some sets I've seen, like the ones that are out currently, and you can buy them for like £50, like the bigger ones anyway, like the Moff Gideon's Cruiser, right, is 140, you can buy that for 70 without the minifigures, if you wanted multiple of the ship. I tried looking at those TIE Fighters that's based from, to try and buy multiple that don't have minifigures, was not able to. The set is still in production, but I take it no one's actually splitting minifigures from the set, although given the minifigures are a TIE pilot, a stormtrooper and a protocol droid, it's not one that people are buying just for the minifigures. I mean, they're not minifigures I mind having multiple of, but if like with other sets I could have maybe got £10, £5 off the price just for not having the minifigures I would have taken. Again, I am still on my No Lego Mine challenge, I'm over a week into it, so I think in March I'll allow myself a second one to see. I want to see what the TIE Advanced is like. Because again, people say the TIE Advanced Darth Vader's TIE Fighter, and I think I'd like to have one of those, or maybe a second Interceptor, because I really like that. Although again, space is a premium, but trust me, see, when I want to, I can pull all the Lego from all over the room, put it on the bed, and it's actually crazy how well I can arrange this when I want to. Like, it just depends how I do it, because I like some consistency, like shelves to have matching things, and this was just a badass idea. Plus, I will say one thing, for a set I've had since last March, it was not dusty. Like, this is one of those ones that's been managed to really well maintained, so very happy about that. So, yeah, I'll most likely see you guys probably around just after the Zoom call, maybe. But yeah, I'm not going to see you guys until then, because this update's been a bit long. I don't want another 51-minute vlog. See ya. Okay, so I think you've had 2 updates. Right, we should be well over like the 15-minute threshold. Had plenty of workmen in and out, constantly doing things. Finishing all this goddamn crap, so let's log this off. It's currently 2 minutes to 3. 2:30 I'm meant to finish, assholes. Right. Do it, come on. By the way, I had to unplug Alexa this morning, because I'm going to put you down so I can plug her back in. I tried to cancel the alarm when I was getting up, and she repeatedly froze. Like, the light came on, but she wouldn't answer questions. She was just really not working for me. So, mind you, this PC is also a bit of a bastard, to be honest. Also, one of my vlogs on that's called Cunt, right? I don't know what, fine, sometimes I call them swear words, right? Out of boredom, fine. For some reason, didn't work. Oh, you have to, well, when I say didn't work, I think YouTube age restricted it. That's what I've been getting told by people who tried to watch it. Shut down. Come, shut down. There we go. Just turn the monitor off. Right, so I looked up alternate builds, right, to see what else I could get out of that TIE Striker. And TIE Advanced and TIE Strikers are the only one you can get out of that same set, right? Other than an Interceptor. Then you've got people's weird ass builds that aren't even real ones in Star Wars. And then I found this. I'm gonna watch this. So Yeah, sure, it's not, like that one where it's actually just the parts inside, but I'm curious because I want to see if any of these are actually buildable sets because I'm someone who loves TIE fighters, right? And obviously I built this one because, well, Lego 16 goddamn years was the last time we got an original trilogy style like this. Goddamn TIE Interceptor, so that's why I built it. I want to raise this, I want to put it on its wings. I was actually briefly debating clearing the stuff off this shelf and making it a TIE fighter shelf, even though I've got only 3 TIE. Actually, technically 4. One's a first order one, it's in that box. I'm not pulling it out though. So I've got the Microfighters TIE Advanced Prototype, the Striker, and the Interceptor. Maybe if I buy another one of these sets and make it into one of the custom ties, it'd be cool here. But I want to buy at least another 2. One so I can have the TIE Advanced, and one so I can have a standard TIE Fighter. Because, I don't know, TIE Fighters look cool. I've been, well, I've always thought they look cool, but look at some of the things you can do with them, and I'm wanting it more. Anyway, so I've had lunch. I've really just have dishes to do. I've got an hour to do dishes and shower. I'm not gonna do my hair. That's not enough time to once. Not that it takes too long, but once you factor in everything else. Yeah, so let's say an hour from now I need to leave, which is probably an hour from now. So my family's currently out. My dad went to get my stepmom. They went to go get my little sister. My little sister is staying at my stepmom's mum's, which means she'll be, they'll be in there having a cup of tea, chatting, and all that kind of good stuff. Or whatever. And they'll probably get my brother from school. So I don't know if they'll be here when I'm leaving or not. They might be, but who knows? They're not home yet. Anyway, the next update will probably be me just before leaving for work or on my way to get the bus, so see you. So it's currently, 7 minutes past 10. Work was fucking shit as usual. And the bosses. I was reading about what they're doing to some of the employees in there, and it's fucking disgusting. More about that fucking later. Try to get some cheapy shit in here. So, the reduced after multiple good nights is basically fucking awful. I wouldn't pay 53p, they ought to fucking open in the art. Fucking disgraceful. Some of this shit to write and work might buy something. Fucking stocking food aisles makes me hungry. Well, what we got? Because they're buying shit that's full price tonight. So it's 1 week today I get getting paid, so yeah. See, they're telling us to basically, they know how much we're meant to get paid, but the amount of our hours that we've worked, everything's lined up so we all complain, so they're telling us go do your hours by calculating it on the app and then fucking get back to us what the hours should be. It says tonight was the last night before cut off till the next pay. So anything we earn between now and the 28th doesn't count towards us the pay on the 28th. Fuck, I've explained how that works multiple times here. I ain't gone into that rabbit hole again. Actually starting to eat. So see, that's 60 because I've got to put the fucking price up. Oh yeah, say when I bought my fucking pizza outlet, it's went up 10 pence. Honestly, fucking inflation's a joke. What we got? Only 45 pence. Take it. 5 jam donuts for a quid. Honestly, Mr. fucking Indecisive strikes again. Easier with a cheaper aisle because I know exactly what I can and can't buy. Whereas this is like, fuck it, I'll end up spending money I can't really spend. So it's a wait till Friday and I'm doing Wednesday, so I'll just get some, just treat myself. I'm all the time with whatever the treat ends up with. Okay, so I've got these, I'm going to grab one more thing and go. So what, plus if I buy a lot, it might last me a bit longer. It's already got £1.60. See you at home. If you wake up under a bridge holding a human head, congratulations, you just Christmas shopped. Okay, but in all seriousness, it's time to close the damn window. So I've been home for like half an hour, and it's 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes past 12. Yay, welcome to the 22nd of the month. My ass got cleaning to do. Damn it. Oh, good, it's all fixed. Wait a minute. God. Right, let's find something. This is my favourite YouTuber. Well, usually just post stupid things now, but... What? When I took popular gaming stuff I found on Amazon. Sold.
No. 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 The Wendy is an easy to use. No. 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 No, you don't. You don't. No. No, please God. No. No. What are you gonna do? No, you don't. No. Oh, no.
Yes, you saw what you thought you saw. Buttons. But yeah, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Cross another day off. For it. That's how many's left. But yeah, I want to sleep. Got to watch some Matt and G stuff, so yeah. I am so goddamn tired, but might stay up a bit longer, right? Don't know. But yeah, hope today was fun. I cannot wait for a long while. I really cannot. Brilliant. But yeah, let's get into the bed. So anyway, I'm gonna keep watching this for the time being. Just really chill out, to be honest, not really, gonna do much else. And honestly, I can't wait to not have to get up because of Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, I was up at like some pretty early, or not so early. And given that on the like the first day was the worst one, to be honest. Given I'd been up so late because of work and stuff, and yeah, so listen, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. It'll be the same as today's, only you won't have that whole section about, college, because that'll be me chilling out until I have to leave a bit earlier for work. My work starts at about 5:30, so I might have to leave at like 4 o'clock, 3:30 for work. Just to get there on time, but yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.